Do you want to create high-quality product photos without spending hours in a photo studio? Imagine turning your ordinary product shots into jaw-dropping, eye-catching masterpieces with just a few clicks. Picture this. You're a small business owner trying to make your product stand out in a sea of competition. Or perhaps you're a freelance photographer looking to streamline your editing process. Have you ever wondered how AI can transform your product photography? Well, stick around because we're about to unveil the top 4 AI website tools for product photography that can make your images pop like never before. Peebly AI. Imagine you're a jewelry designer and you just finished creating a stunning collection. But how do you showcase the intricate details and brilliance of your pieces online? Peebly AI steps in with its advanced image enhancement algorithms. It can automatically adjust lighting, remove background clutter, and even enhance the sparkle of gemstones. But Peebly AI isn't just for jewelry. Whether you're into electronics, home decor, or any other product category, Peebly AI adapts to your needs. It's like having a team of professional photo editors working around the clock, ensuring your products always look their best. And here's the best part, Peebly AI is a user-friendly interface. Even if you're not a seasoned photographer, you can easily navigate through its features and achieve professional-level results. No more spending hours in front of complex editing software. Time is money, right? Peebly AI understands that. It's lightning fast, capable of processing numerous images in seconds. Not only does Peebly AI save you time, but it also helps you maintain consistency across all your product photos. This is crucial for creating a professional and trustworthy online presence. Plus, Peebly AI comes with various subscription options, allowing you to choose the plan that suits your needs and budget. It's an investment in your business that can pay off handsomely. Flair AI. Imagine you're a food blogger and you're passionate about making your dishes look as appetizing as possible. With Flair AI, your culinary creations will practically jump off the screen, and here's how. Flair AI specializes in food photography enhancement, making it a perfect tool for food bloggers, chefs, and restaurant owners. Whether you're photographing a gourmet meal or a simple plate of pancakes, Flair AI can work its magic to bring out the colors, textures, and details that make your food irresistible. One of Flair AI's standout features is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech guru or a professional photographer to use it. The intuitive controls make it accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned food photographers. But Flair AI isn't limited to food photography. It's a versatile tool that can enhance a wide range of product images. Imagine you're a fashion enthusiast and you want your clothing line to shine online. Flair AI can help you adjust colors, textures, and even simulate different lighting scenarios, ensuring your fashion photos are on point. The versatility of Flair AI makes it a valuable asset for creatives across various industries, whether you're in fashion, cosmetics, electronics, or any other field. This tool can help you achieve the perfect look for your product photos. Let's not forget some of Flair AI's unique features. Have you ever struggled to remove unwanted objects or people from your photos? Flair AI can do it seamlessly, leaving your images looking clean and polished. And speaking of polishing, Flair AI can also retouch skin, remove blemishes, and create a flawless look in portrait photos. It's like having a professional retoucher at your fingertips. In conclusion, Flair AI is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to enhance their product photography, whether you're a food blogger, a fashion enthusiast, or a professional photographer. Unbound AI. Imagine you're an e-commerce store owner with a vast catalog of products to photograph and display online. The sheer volume of work can be overwhelming, but Unbound AI is here to simplify your life. Unbound AI offers a range of powerful tools, but its standout feature is its batch processing. This means you can edit multiple images simultaneously, dramatically speeding up your workflow. Just think about it. Instead of spending hours editing each product photo individually, you can now enhance them all at once. But that's not all. Unbound AI's intelligent algorithms can identify and fix common photography issues across a batch of images. Whether it's exposure problems, color inconsistencies, or background clutter, Unbound AI has got you covered. Whether you have 10 product photos or 1,000, Unbound AI is the ultimate time-saving tool for busy professionals. Unbound AI's subscription plans are flexible, catering to businesses of all sizes. It's a cost-effective solution that can help you improve your product images and boost your online presence. Before we jump into the next tool, there's something truly extraordinary I want to share with you. This next AI tool not only enhances your fashion photography, but can also predict trending fashion styles and suggest creative concepts for your shoot. Trust me, you won't want to miss this game-changing innovation coming up next. Clade AI. Imagine you're a fashion designer or a clothing retailer and you want your clothing to shine in every photograph. Clade AI specializes in fashion photography enhancement and it's here to revolutionize the way you present your clothing line online. Clade AI primary focus is on fashion, and it offers a unique set of tools tailored to this industry. Have you ever struggled to retouch models' skin or adjust clothing colors to match your brand's aesthetic? Clade AI does it exceptionally well. Imagine you're a boutique owner and you want to make sure your product photos are consistent and look professional. Clade AI color correction capabilities ensure that your clothing items maintain their true colors, no matter the light and conditions during the photo shoot. But that's not all. It also excels in simulating different lighting scenarios. So, if you want to showcase your clothing line in various settings from a sunny beach to a cozy winter cabin, Clade AI can make it happen. Whether you're a fashion brand looking to create a visually stunning online presence or a photographer specializing in fashion shoots, Clade AI is the tool you've been waiting for. Time is a precious resource in the fashion industry, especially when preparing for a product launch or a photo shoot. With Clade AI's efficient and user-friendly interface, you can save valuable hours during the editing process. Now, let's talk about Clade AI's cost-effectiveness. Hiring professional retouchers can be expensive, especially for small fashion businesses or independent photographers. Clade AI offers an affordable alternative that doesn't compromise on quality. With Clade AI subscription plans, you can choose the option that suits your budget, making it accessible to a wide range of fashion enthusiasts. In summary, Clade AI is a game-changing tool for the fashion industry, whether you're a designer, a retailer, or a photographer. And there you have it, folks, the top 4 AI website tools for product photography: Peebly AI, Flare AI, Unbound AI, and Clade AI. Each of these tools can take your product photography to the next level, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. But here's the real question: which one will you choose? Tell us in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, click the next one shown on the screen. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for watching.